Hello and welcome to the instructional video on how to submit an assignment on Schoology. The first thing you're going to do is find the assignment, and it usually has this little pencil mark right here, and you're going to click on the title. When you go into the assignment, you're going to sometimes read the instructions. There's sometimes an attachment to open and download, or sometimes there are additional instructions here. So after you read the instructions and it says what you need to do, you're going to click on Submit Assignment, and you're going to make sure you have Upload. You're going to click on the File button. You're going to find whatever it's requesting you to do. So this one says take a picture of the handwriting and upload it, so I'm just going to click a picture, and then I'm going to hit Open and hit Submit. And as you can see, there is a submitted assignment now for this practice item. So that's as simple as it is for uploading a submission on Schoology that is an assignment that needs a file uploaded.